Hello, my name's Judith Kleinman, and I'm looking forward to welcoming people to my course at Hawkwood from the 24th of January to the 26th of January 2025. The course is called Finding Quiet Strength, and it's all about conscious well-being and setting our goals for 2025. We'll be working on everyday resilience as well as the practices of yoga and Tai Chi. We'll hit the road running on the Friday evening with meditation and a little bit of information about structure and everyday movements, context in terms of anatomy. On the Saturday, we'll be looking at the practices and really thinking about the skills of thought, touch, movement, and breath work. And on Sunday, we'll recap so that everybody's got all the work well in their pocket to take away for the new year. So the marvelous thing is the course is at Hawkwood, which also helps us to work with nature and the beautiful food and comfort and the lovely house that Hawkwood is. We'll also, on Saturday evening, have a time together of creativity, working with poetry and sharing ideas and skill about how to take poise and purpose into the new year. I'm really looking forward to seeing you there and feeling that we'll all go away with a rucksack packed with beautiful skills and practices to find poise, purpose, and peace for 2025.